Everyone wants AI answering their WhatsApp messages instantly, day and night. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the real do-it-yourself way to connect ChatGPT to WhatsApp, and then the honest limits you hit once actual customers start chatting. WhatsApp has over 3 billion users, so odds are your customers already messaged there. But it's not a free-for-all. When someone messages you, you get a 24-hour window to reply freely, and if too many people report you, your quality rating drops, and well, throttle how many people you're left a message. Here's the actual recipe, and it genuinely works. You connect the official WhatsApp Cloud API to a low-code automation tool like N810, plug in your own OpenAI key, and write a short system prompt. People build this in an afternoon for about $5 to $15 a month in API usage. The flow is simple. A message lands on WhatsApp, your automation tool catches it, and AI agent node sends it to ChatGPT, and the answer goes straight back. Add a memory node, and you can set how many recent messages it remembers so the chat feels continuous. And honestly, it feels magic at first. Friendly, instant, natural replies at 3 in the morning. This is the part everyone falls in love with. But watch what happens the moment the customer needs a real answer. Here's the trap. Raw ChatGPT doesn't know your prices, your hours, or your stock, so it confidently makes them up. Even the strongest models still hallucinate wrong facts while sounding completely sure. On WhatsApp, one confident wrong answer is a customer who drove to a closed, sold-out store. Beyond hallucinating, plain ChatGPT can't actually book an appointment, take an order, or hand off to a human when things get sensitive. And it doesn't know WhatsApp's own rules, a circumflex euros, the opt-in requirement, the approved templates, the 24-hour window, a circumflex euros, the exact things that keep your number healthy and out of trouble. This part is serious. Outside that 24-hour window, you can only send pre-approved templates, and you must have opt-in before messaging people. Break the rules and Meta can throttle you, then lock the account entirely, a circumflex euros, and getting it back means filing an appeal. A raw ChatGPT bot has no idea any of this exists. So the real choice isn't ChatGPT versus nothing. It's a bot that guesses versus a business-grade brain that actually knows your prices, your hours, and your calendar, books the appointment, and quietly passes the chat to a human the moment it should. Same question, grounded in your real data. It quotes the true price, the real hours, holds the item, books a fitting, and hands the chat to say to close it. That's the difference between a chatbot and a system that actually earns you the sale. If you want this magic on WhatsApp, without the hallucinations and without the ban risk, that's exactly what Remarketly does. A brain trained on your real business that books, sells, and hands off to a human when it matters. Come see Remarketly.io.